In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on Default Apps over here and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. When you're ready, click on your new app that you wish to apply and click on the back button. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!